Is your ring finger longer than your index finger, or vice versa? The answer to this simple question may be the key to understanding something new about your personality. This isn't your simple run-of-the-mill test, even though it appears like that initially. In fact, researchers have been studying finger length to understand if it has anything to do with our personality and the development of our body. Howard Hughes Medical Institute scientists have found that men generally have a longer ring finger than the index finger, which is the equivalent to increased production of testosterone by the body. Conversely, women often have a shorter ring finger compared to the index finger. Experts have been studying the length of fingers as well as the ability to learn and the likelihood of contracting diseases. They've also studied this issue in regards to fertility, since the length of the fingers would be linked to hormonal problems, as explained in their article in the Proceedings of the National Academy of Sciences, PNAS. The longer ring finger, for example, reveals a more masculine and aggressive personality, while the shorter ring finger indicates a more feminine, sweeter person. According to researchers, comparing finger length isn't just an interesting subject. Instead, it may reveal something important about our personality and about the development of our body from the embryonic stage to adulthood. Discover which of these groups you fit into. Ring finger longer than the index finger. People whose ring finger is longer than the index finger tend to be very fascinating. They're very competitive, very good at winning games and solving problems and puzzles. Sometimes they can become aggressive. They're wise, intelligent, and like to learn new things. They're usually a point of reference for those who want some advice. Having a ring finger longer than the index finger makes a person tend to have more of a male personality. Ring finger shorter than the index finger. A person whose index finger is longer than the ring finger is usually a very determined person who, when engaged in his work, isn't easily disturbed. They have clear goals to follow in life. These people like to work hard and at the same time are always ready to help friends in need. They're very protective. The ring finger, being smaller than the index finger, is related to a more feminine personality. Index finger and ring are the same size. When someone's index and ring fingers are the same length, it indicates that the person is always trying to keep the peace and trying to avoid conflict at all costs. Usually these people are very organized, calm, quiet, and faithful in relationships with partners and friends. That's because family and friends are everything to them. Such people can be a bit sensitive, so it's no wonder they get irritated by teasing and joking. What do you think of this test? Does it match your personality? Leave us your opinion below. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.